Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Rahman and I am showing you the project. Project. That project is about hospital management system, and let's start my project. Here is my code, the project code. I use function, switch case, structure, and many other things. Let's start how it's run. That is the main function, and here is my ID, and here is the main function. There is a three option in here. That is the headline. Welcome to Ardin Hospital, and zero option is here. Sign up, login, and visitor. I am not. If I am not a authority and I'm not a doctor, then I will like to browse it as visitor. So let's start a sign up. I sign up first, so I don't want to sign up now, and I want to log in the system. Let's start what the system says. Then login. Here is the two options: login as doctor and login as authority. If the authority uh, doesn't add the doctor can log in the system. So if the doctor want to log in the system, the must the system have to the file the doctor name and information. So I'm login as authority here, and I'm giving the name and login successful. Let's start. And here is the system: doctor and patient. Doctor part and patient part. The authority can add the doctor part, and add doctor, view doctor, search doctor, update, delete doctor, and the patient list for several doctor. And the patient part is here is the same categories, but one option is less. So I'm going to the doctor part, and I want to add a doctor. Then add a doctor, and ID is here, and the department is here. Department, what department I can be? Uh, Psychology. I can add it here, and here is the day. Wednesday, I give it, and time 8 o'clock. I want to modify that, so I will modify it later. Yes, I use small letter in the username, and is the password, and I successfully add successfully, and has the notification. Let's view the doctor list. Firstly, I add so many doctor in here, and last I add these in Masud Jana, and here is the list. Here is the list of the doctor, and for authority and patient part is the visitor for one. These options for visitor. I'm not a visitor. I'm login as authority, so I will press 5 any number here, and to modify doctor and I viewed the doctor list and search doctor. For search doctor 3, doctor ID. Here is the doctor list, and which doctor has searched with the information of the doctor. And I want to update, yeah, I want to update a doctor. So what I give last the doctor 2189 the doctor, and I want to update time. So here time list is 4 and schedule. Give time, give the 8:00 a.m. and I edit. Let's view what is say. Yeah, here is we can see the 8:00 a.m. We can successfully update it, and we want to update this part at dentist. For update L4 again and 0 on. And to change the department, medicine here, yeah, and to be here is the part medicine. It's updated successfully. So I see the update and to delete a doctor. Okay, delete doctor. And to delete this doctor, Mehdi Hassan, and I have to give the ID here, and the doctor list will show. Then the notifications will delete successfully if I press enter. Sorry, sorry, I press enter fast. So I want to view the list. What I change? Yeah, I delete the doctor successfully. Here, patient list for several doctor. Here, for patient list, I have to add the patient first. So part 2, I want to add the patient, and here the patient list. I add something. Simple. See. Good. Add successfully. And to view patient as the patient list, and we can update the patient from here. Update the patient. The doctor also can update the patients. So update options, I want to show update options from doctor part. So I want to log in as doctor. My file is at first, so I want to log in first. I have to remember the password. So doctor have to remember the password. The password is this. Here, update patient information update for press 3, and here is the modify ID. I give the patient ID at 5. So I want to update the address and conditions. I want to update address, patient address. So patient address, I give something. Here I update. I think I update this. Yeah, update this successfully. And conditions, I also update conditions. Sorry for the disturb. I want to log in as another doctor. Yeah, by mistakes I press authority part, so just go to the authority part. This is the bug of the software, so I want to recover it. Next, so patient list for the doctor, and to check this, and to this doctor's patient list. There is the doctor name, username, and the under this doctor it has 3 patients. And for doctor part I have to press 1, then I can go to the doctor part. And there is doctor can update their profile. Yeah, doctor can update their profile. So here is going to Shumon Sheikh, the doctor name. So the ID is here. You can change the age, can change anything. Here is the what the doctor want to change. And to change the age, and to give the 27. Here is add to the doctor part. For doctor part to press 3. It is updated successfully. And if I want to see to the doctor part, it is 136. Here it is years 27. So I can add here the name, and from there and to go back, and that is my system. And here is the patient part or visitor part. Visitor part, what can patient do? As they can see the doctor list. Here is the doctor list, and they can get appointment, cancel appointment. So I want to cancel appointment from there. So 3, what ID I want to cancel. I want to cancel for last time I add this in there, and to cancel this and to delete this from the system. So this ID, this patient will delete. Yeah, delete successfully. This I delete successfully. And search patient information. I can check the information of patient. This patient is not here. If we give the wrong ID and wrong things, then it work. Patient will not search. So recently we delete this ID from there, so we cannot found this. And here we have to run. So that is my project. Here is all of my project, and patient can check their list, their information, their room number, house, what is number of the room. That is all of my project.